So, so today class is what is the model? The model is one integral of the form 1 by a plus or minus b sin x into dx or 1 by a plus or minus b cos x into dx, or you write that 1 by a plus or minus a cos x plus or minus b sin x and into dx, and integral 1 by a cos x plus or minus b sin x plus or minus c. Here ABC is nothing but arbitrary constants. Okay, so how we are solving this problem? For that solution, so let us we assume that the t is equal to tan x by 2. So we do differentiate dt by dx, differentiate with respect to x. So we know that tan x is nothing but secant square x by 2, and we have, again we differentiate this x, we get that 1 by 2. So for that we need to find dx, that is 2 by secant square x by 2 into dt is equal to dx. So we can write secant square in terms of tan. So we have a formula, what that is, how we are writing the secant will be convert, secant is convert into tan. So how we are converting, we know the formula, that is secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So from that secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So the secant square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2. So here we write it as dx equal to 2 into dt by secant square x by 2. The secant square x by 2 can be written as here we write it as secant square x by 2, that is nothing but 1 plus tan square x by 2, that is 1 plus tan square x by 2. So we know that the t is nothing but a tan x by 2. The dx can be written as a 2 into dt by 1 plus t square, since t is equal to tan x by 2. So dx can be written as 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. And similarly we need to written as a sin x and a cos x in terms of tan. So that is, we know that sin 2 theta, sin 2x, that is sin 2x can be written as, how to write sin 2x in terms of tan, that is nothing but a 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. So from that we can write that x equal to x by 2 here. It will be converted into sin x by 2 into 2 is equal to 2 into tan x by 2 plus 1 plus tan square x by 2. The 2 will be cancelled. We get that sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus tan square 1 plus t square. The sin x is nothing but 1 plus 2t by 1 plus t square. So here we written as there is a, okay, and cos x. So how to write cos in terms of tan? The cos can be written in terms of tan. That is, we get that cos 2x, that is cos 2x is nothing but 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So just we substitute that x equal to x by 2. So we get that cos 2 into x by 2 equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This 2 will be cancelled and we get that cos x equal to 1 minus, we substitute t here, that is nothing but 1 minus t by 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So since the t is nothing but t is equal to tan x by 2. Okay. So here finally we written as, how we written that? So assumptions. So what are the assumptions are needed? That is the first one. For this method we assume t equal to tan x by 2. From that dx equal to dx is nothing but 2 into dt by 1 plus t square, and sin x can be written as, how to write sin x, 2t by 1 plus t square, and cos x can be written as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So we substitute this one, substitute these values in either a model a plus or minus b cos x or a plus or minus b sin x and so on, and apply the standard formulas. Apply the standard integration formulas. Thank you.